Oswiecim is a quiet town nestled in Poland's countryside. Auschwitz, its German name, is a place that is synonymous with death, horror, and cruelty. Never before had the world been witness to such atrocities as those that took place in the Auschwitz concentration camp system. The camp was built outside the town and used as army barracks during World War I. Those barracks were then converted in 1940 to become a labor and concentration camp. As the Nazi Party ramped up their efforts to the final solution to the Jewish question, Auschwitz II, or Birkenau, was created. This camp was much larger than its predecessor, a mile down the road, and allowed for many more prisoners. Jews from all over Europe were transported to Auschwitz. Railroad tracks were laid into the camp so that trains pulling cattle cars filled with people could pull directly in. Prisoners were ordered to leave all their belongings and exit the cars. They were then forced into two lines, men on one side, with women and children on the other. From there, they were shuttled through the line past Mengele and other SS doctors, who would decide their fate, left or right, live or die. The young and the healthy were sent to the right, back into the camp. They were sent to suffer through labor and starvation. It was on the backs of these prisoners that Birkenau and Monowitz, Auschwitz III, were built. Those who were sent to the left, the children, the elderly, and the sick, were immediately sentenced to death. They were led to the gas chambers and the ovens. Once there, they were commanded to strip off their clothes and crowd into the showers under the pretense of being disinfected. In the showers, a poisonous gas known as Zyklon B was pumped through the pipes, killing everyone. Their bodies were then loaded into the ovens for disposal. Today, these are all that remain of those buildings. To the memory of the men, women, and children who fell victim to the Nazi genocide, here lie their ashes. May their souls rest in peace. May we never forget our past.